Yes, sir. Now, countdown is start now. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now let's play the game. Sondeep Sasbol Cricket Tournament. That is called the fast delivery. Lantu, right and batter. Fast ball. It was a focused delivery. This come touch bat. In third man area, there is the fielder. Amit, stop the ball. The fast ball is good start and delivery. Round the right fast ball is not delivery. Good start delivery. Surapur SK 11. Here comes the cross and take it to one pass. Second delivery. 3-2. Lantu this time tried to hard shot, but cannot appropriate touch. A long time into the yard. Just a good catch hold the extra cover fielder. That called me fast wicket is gone. Lantu is out and back to the pavilion. Score is 0. Lantu is 0. Good start definitely. Surapur SK 11. Tamluk captain